Risk attitude spectrum. Risk attitude, as we saw some time before, are not homogeneous among the stakeholders. The same uncertain situation can result in different kinds of behavior among the stakeholders depending on how they perceive the uncertainty. Hence, many risk management practitioners conclude that risk attitude actually exists on a spectrum. The spectrum is from very low or low risk taking capability to high or extreme risk taking capability or ability. Now this is represented, the spectrum, in the diagram to our right. So here in one axis it is the response of stakeholders to uncertainty, this side or this side. On the other axis we have the comfort level. If it is positive, the comfort level will be positive, and high it is going up. This side we have discomfort level. The discomfort level can be low or high. Now in this spectrum, as you can see, in the middle we have risk neutral. These people can go this side or that side. That is, they can go towards the positive or towards the negative side. On the slightly bigger scale we have risk tolerant. This is the most dangerous risk attitude, because you are tolerating a wide range with respect to the response to the risk, but you are tolerant. However, if you are going above this tolerant range and you have high risk taking capability and you are welcoming the risk, that time it will be called as risk seeker. The reverse is, if you are not welcoming the risk, you are feeling uncomfortable with respect to the risk, that time it will be called as risk averse. With extreme high risk taking capability, we have scales: 0, low, high, extreme. With extreme high risk taking capability, the stakeholder will be called as risk addicted. Whereas on the other hand, with extreme discomfort level, totally not getting into the risk, that will be called as risk paranoid. This is extreme. So simply speaking, high risk taking capability, risk seeker; extreme risk taking capability, risk addicted; high discomfort level, risk averse; extreme discomfort level, risk paranoid. In the middle we have risk neutral. Risk tolerance, we have certain range here, certain range here, and this is within a range you are risk tolerant. And this is the risk attitude spectrum on which various possibilities or types of risk taking capability will be shown.